Hi, so in this video, we gonna see like huge difference. Like you running the English, so please don't do that. Like because of I talk about every students, like everyone, like afraid to speak the English because of they are struggling to speak. They can't speak, but they like how they use the word, like the huge difference. I'm also initially I am not fluent at English. Now also I am beginner, but I try to speak the English. So many students are afraid to speak me their lack of the confidence because of they are if I speaking in a room there are some people there, so I am embarrassing. So that is the huge difference. So don't do that, guys. If someone is if you embarrassing, so ignore them. So please practice the every day. The huge difference, the confidence after the gain, guys, and also the lack of the practice because of they having the environment, the bigness, like the students, like they are the learning the alone, how they can practicing, they don't know. But after that, we are the realize to speak alone with your brain. That is the enough. If you practicing at least the 5 to 10 minutes, that is the enough choice. So this is the practice area that is important. And also new words to be learning. Every day you must learning the new words. That is the important, and as well as that new words you will be used it. Like you should use it every day new word in your speaking style. Actually, this is the important. Like I mean, if you practice the English, I can, but every day I can use the new word, a new sentence, new thinking level also. And also, yeah, if you the practicing everything, that is also important. Like after that, yeah, they having to know how we are just speaking, how by speaking some people are thinking about we. There are like something different. There are thinking about you. So don't ignore that because of you text me every day. This day fluency after the game. Yeah, after that yeah, you should speak in a really good. So that time you are not thinking about that. So yeah, right. So please the practice every day. That is the important part. And also reading it is very important. If you're reading something books or something the story the later that is makes sense because of the understanding the emotion, how they will be thought conversion in the word, like the sentence that is very different. So if you the try this, and also don't focusing on the grammatical because of so much of student they are focusing on the grammatical, they are studying. So if you speaking, don't do the no need to the grammar while you speaking. If you speaking the English, no need to the grammar. I'm not speaking, but I am little bit only using the grammatically sentence. So no need for the grammatical sentence to speaking. So yeah, guys. So this is speaking the English. After that, yeah, some of the fluency you got. Uh, if you gain the confidence, after that you use the grammatical ways. This way automatically, what are the mistake. Yeah, that is very different, guys. And also fearing, like there are so many people are just fearing, like speak in front of the people, strangers, with your friends. I'm also struggling in this time also, but I'm take my phone, recorded myself, I post on the YouTube. So that is differently using, guys. And also like the difference means like yeah, these are the different I think the majority people, the majority students they are doing. So don't do that. So yeah, this is in this video we gonna start that. So if you like this video, so please support my channel, subscribe my channel, and also share with your friends. So if you any suggestions for me, so please leave in the comment section. I will do that in the upcoming video. So thanks for the watching. So keep supporting me. So keep learning together. Yeah, we are learning together English. So that's all. So thank you. We are gonna see next video. So start now together.